If you're spending hours designing content and it still looks kind of meh, I know how frustrating that is. That's why I've partnered with Adobe Express, and in this video, I'll show you 12 life-changing AI tools that feel like actual magic. They'll cut your design time in half and instantly make your content look pro. You can try Adobe Express for free using the link in the description so you can test out these tools for yourself. Let's get into it. Ever want to use an image but couldn't find the right one anywhere? Stock photos are always hit and miss, and creating graphics or custom images from scratch takes time that most of us just don't have. With Adobe Express's text-to-image tool, you can create your own visuals from scratch in seconds. Just pick a model like Adobe Firefly, which is trained on commercially safe data. Or you can choose another like Flux, Imagen, or OpenAI. Describe the image you have in mind. You can even upload reference images to guide the style. Choose your content type and select a style preset. Once you hit generate, Adobe Express creates a set of options that you can refine or you can generate more. When you find the perfect one, select it, add it to your canvas. You can save it or share it and you're done. And if that image needs a little extra touch to remove or add something, the next tool makes it effortless. Sometimes a great photo just needs a tiny tweak, a distraction gone or something fun added in. Normally, fixing that means wrestling with complicated tools. Generative Fill lets you describe the change and watch your photo update so it looks the way it was always meant to look. To remove something, select your image, select Remove Object, just brush over what you want gone and select Remove. Choose from the result or you can select Generate More. To add something, select your image, select Insert Object, brush on the area that you want to add something to, describe what you'd like to add, select Insert and the tool handles the rest. Of course, sometimes the whole background needs a change too. Adobe Express can handle that as well. Maybe you've got a great shot of yourself or of your product, but the background, it's not so great for what you need. Removing the background manually is time consuming and messy, especially for video. With one click, Adobe Express removes the background for both images and videos, giving you a clean, accurate, and ready for anything visual. Take your photo or video, select Remove Background, and pop yourself onto something that suits your vibe. Now that you've cut yourself out, watch what happens when we add motion to the design. A static graphic can get lost in a fast-moving feed, but animating graphics can be a complicated, time-consuming step. Now you can turn static designs into eye-catching animations in seconds. With AI animations, you can animate individual elements, select different movements to suit your design. But my favorite is Animate All. It adds motion to the entire design with one click. Speaking of motion, let's talk about turning your longer videos into short, shareable moments. Got a long video but want short, snappy clips for social media? Scrubbing through long videos to find highlights normally takes forever. Clipmaker uses AI to scan your video, find the most engaging moments, and automatically create ready-to-share clips with captions. After you've uploaded your long-form video, Adobe Express picks out the moments where your message hits. No scrubbing required. It's also auto-cut, captioned, and formatted for vertical. Cutting clips is smart, but the next tool can make a whole video clip for you, no camera or recording needed. You know those moments where you're editing and think,
this clip needs some B-roll to bring it to life.
But you can't find the stock video to match your vibe and you don't have time to record footage. Just type your video idea into Adobe Express. Describe what you want to create. You can upload a starting image to help guide the content of the video you want. Choose the camera settings, shot size and camera angle, and watch as it generates a unique video for you to use for intros, B-roll, or creative projects. You just went from text to video in minutes. What if you could design the full layout just as easily? Nobody wants to design from a blank canvas, and scrolling through template libraries to find the right one can eat up hours. Type what you need, and Adobe Express generates ready-to-edit
template options that are tailored for your project. You can choose from the selection and easily edit and modify the template.
And once you've got that template, you can even create matching designs to keep everything consistent. Found an image you love and want more like it for brand consistency? Matching style, colors, and feel across multiple graphics can be tricky. With Generate Similar, you can create a bunch of new images that perfectly match your original style.
Start with an image you want to use as your reference. Select Generate Similar, and then enter a prompt to describe the content for the new image and select Generate, and you get lots of beautiful different options to select from, or you can generate more for more options. Once you've chosen one, select Done, and you can start using your image.
Then, when you're ready to share across multiple different platforms, the next tool will save you hours. Ever made a design you love only to realize you need it in 10 other sizes for different platforms? Manually resizing? Ain't nobody got time for that.
Smart Resize instantly adapts your design for various social media platforms and outputs. And it also keeps your images in one project so you can keep everything organized in one space.
And if you need to really make your text pop, the next feature will make it unforgettable. Want your words to look as creative as your message? Sometimes you just want more than plain text.
In generative text effects, you simply type your text, then go to describe the style, like metallic gold, candy sprinkles, or pressed flowers. You can customize the settings to choose what you like, and then select Generate, and Adobe Express creates the effect instantly and with some options as well.
Of course, it's not just about how your text looks. The right words matter too. Ever written some text but want it to sound sharper or more engaging? It can be hard to edit your own work without overthinking it.
AI Rewrite transforms your text in seconds. Simply select the text and choose the settings for the rewrite, and Adobe Express generates some options that you can use.
And once you've nailed the perfect words, why not share them with the world in different languages? Want your content to reach an audience beyond your own language? Professional translation can be expensive and slow. AI translation in Adobe Express instantly translates your text in multiple languages.
Choose the languages that you want to translate to, and the tone of voice if you'd like, and the pages, and select Translate. It's so easy. And you can see the translated pages on your design.
Now that you've seen how Adobe Express can transform your design workflow with AI, what if it could take those designs and automate your entire posting schedule without touching a single platform again? Watch the next video where I'll show you how to use Adobe Express's free content scheduler to plan, preview, and post all your content on social media in minutes.